Don't go too far.
Yeah, y'all go, it's steps over there so you can go down.
Not far if you go down.
They should do it like a water slide. It was a water. No, with everything clean like the other pool.
Oh.
I'm going back in to shut him up.
Huh?
Going back in.
We're going back in.
All right.
What is that green stuff though?
Algae.
Oh. You say you see it?
Mom, is there stuff in there?
Yeah.
Mom, are you going there?
No, I'm not going in there.
Are you going there? It might be stuff in there.
There might be something.
Maybe the sharks don't live in there anymore. But it's green.
Yeah.
Mom, what is the box? Did the storm do that?
That's crazy how it's like not even moving.
Cause it's not supposed to move.
Get back.
Mom, I'm about to go.